Take a ride in the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, 8 speakers, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, security alarm, trip computer, power convenience group, MP3 player. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.